Do subscribe and click on the bell icon.
Hello friends, welcome to techtuto. If you want to surprise your friend by giving this kind of custom stickers, or it may be anything, then this video is for you. So let's see how to make custom stickers. You can find many apps in the Play Store, but I like the stickers maker the most cause it's so simple. You can edit any photo and add to the sticker list directly. Yeah, that's right. Let me show you.
Go to Play Store and search for stickers maker and tap on this. This is only 18.48 MB. After installing this, tap on open. Allow all the necessary permission. So this is the default page. Tap on create new sticker. Accept it. I am ignoring this. OK. OK again. Tap on image. Tap on select. Now we need to erase the background. So tap on erase. Here I will use lasso tool, but you can try other option as well. So I am done with the background. Tap on this tick icon. You can crop as per your need. It will help your sticker look bigger. After you're done, save your image. It will save the image and add to your sticker list in your WhatsApp directly. Now close this app. Go to WhatsApp. Tap on any of your friends' chat. Tap on emojis. Go to sticker. Go to sticker maker list and send it to your friend.
Now if your friend asks you how did you do that, then obviously share this video link. Hope this video was helpful to you. Hit the like and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Peace.